I've been go fans watching popping pillies, man. I feel just like a rock star. Feel just like a rock star.
Yeah, I'll go by the name Anything with Yusef. Let's start this shit again. YouTube! Hey, this is me now. You see me? I'll go ahead and name Anything with Yusef. I'm doing this thing for my housemate, because he asked. You know what I'm saying? We bought his hair. See me looking scruffy like this, just like you are. Right now, it's bad like this. I'm in a cut jam. I was trying to lose that joke for a long time. I was holding it.
Yo, it's not your boy. That's cringe as fuck, no. But yeah, it's dude with the thing. No, it's Lucas Malphus on Instagram. It's dude with the thing. It's always weird when people call me dude with the thing. Don't call me that.
Dude with the thing.
It's weird. It's weird. So yeah, it's Lucas, photographer based in Gaborone, Botswana. And I'm about to do this thing. We're about to do this thing.
So yeah, what's the question? Let me hurt these guys with the truth.
The first question is, what is the best thing about dating a creative?
I guess the best thing is that, you can learn something.
I've never dated a creative, but if I was to sell, I wouldn't even sell myself. I'm in a relationship. I'm like shop, bro. It's a mystery for you niggas.
You want to date the same person who knows numbers like you. Okay, I get it. 6 times 6 like me. We both. It's boring, You want someone who you're going to date and ask what 6 times 6 and not say 36 and say it's 5. You know what I'm saying?
What's the best thing about dating me? I'm cool as shit. I'm dope as fuck.
Same thing.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know, man. I'm like better than all your exes. And after me, you're going down, dog. There's no upgrading from here. Like, unless you date Jesus, dog. If you can pull that type of shit, then I guess then there'll be a better thing than dating, like, do what the thing.
Would I date me? Date me. I'm awesome. Shit, G. Have you seen me? Let me stand under the light. G.
I was gonna say, as you date, so this means you date hoes. But I wouldn't, no. You can't hear me, I guess.
They can hear you louder than me. Nigga.
Creatives claim to be busy all the time.
Why do creatives claim to be? Why do I? And I'm one person who's always busy. Yeah.
Like, claiming is just a painful word because we're actually putting in work,
I'm free. It's just that my schedule is, like I said, it's not a linear schedule like other people's schedules. You know what I mean?
We're not claiming.
So I wake up at 1 p.m. because I went to sleep at 9 a.m. I'm never busy.
Most of the time, like 90% of the time, we're actually putting in work. We're not claiming. It's not a claim.
How do I handle temptations from working with these models?
I don't work with girls a lot. And the girls I actually end up working with are like family, So it's not like, being a photographer. That one is like that you see that area. That's where you get worried,
Honestly, there's no temptation when work as a photographer. There's no temptation when you're working with models, because imagine. I'm pretty sure all of us have been to we've been in a consultation with a doctor, and imagine we let's patela and then once your doctor and then he starts, I don't know, you see where I'm going with this. It's just like, it's a professional thing, dog. There is no temptation. You're just there for the bag, you're just there for work, and that's it.
I was ducking down. I was ducking that one. I've used so many girls as like vocals, like the young interlude vibes. Hi, I was thinking about you. Why don't you pick up my calls? Like, hey, Drake finished all of us. Wait. Most creatives are perfectionists. That's what it is. That's what you guys should know. A lot of us are we're always trying to, get the best out of what we're doing. So sometimes we don't get what we want. We don't even get what we need because we don't see that when we're working on those things. You know what I'm saying? There's a vision, there's an image, there's a sound you have, and you're just trying to get there. So if it doesn't get there, settling for less, it's depressing. It's not nice,
First, talk about the struggle, and let's talk about taking out your frustrations and seeking validations.
I get with the frustration thing. I can understand that because it's like, at the end of the day, I think the creative feels like, okay, this is the one person who I have to talk to me, or listen to me. So you're obviously just gonna pour everything out there. There's no one else. Obviously, you signed up to be in a relationship with that person, so they are bound to tell you everything. It's just like how you get frustrated from coming from school and there's no one else who you can just, tell your problems to. You're gonna tell the person. So that's the same thing with the creative. You know what I'm saying? But then again, I can understand your frustration if it's someone who's always complaining and is really not doing anything about it. You know what I'm saying? I know people like that. I know creatives like that. Like, you're always complaining, but you're not doing shit about it. It gets frustrating. Like, I can't keep telling you the same thing all the time. So like I said, sometimes you be getting the raw cuts, the wrong ones. You know what I'm saying? Because I know some musicians or let's just say creators, because the creators thing, who are not like that. Sometimes they won't even tell you their problems. They'll just be like, fuck it, I just want to deal with it alone. This girl has her own problem.